So here is the hack to stabilize 3D printer to print more smooth and with more finishings, and also it saves some electricity as well. Here I have taken this glass of the same size as the hotbed. It should be aligned properly. Here one end is a bit higher than the opposite end. It should be even all the way. These screws will adjust the height. Let's stick it to the bed so that it don't move due to vibration. And the most important thing is to increase the height of the limit switch as per the thickness of the glass. Apply candle wax or glue to stick the print with the surface. So after placing the glass, now we don't need the hot bed, so I will decrease the temperature to the 0. As heater consumes too much electricity, by turning it off we have saved some electricity and also the time, because it takes around 2 to 5 minutes to hot the bed. So when we reduce the temperature to 0, it will instantly start heating the extruder. This way we save the electricity and time, and also we get very fine prints. Okay, hope you will try this hack and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.